So, got some things for my K1. Some maintenance. First things, brand new in the package. Climber manuals, BMW K series, 85 to 97. Needed that. Ish. Shout out to Euro Motor Electrics for motor oil. They'll be giving me pens and stuff. Oil filter. Got crankshaft and valve cover, gaskets. Sure, there's some O-rings and crush washers. Filled with the stickers too. Definitely stick it up. Yeah. Also got, this is from All Balls Racing. Fork seals and fork dust wipers in there. Got some valve cover bolt bushes. Ordered like 24 of them. Excited about. New oil fill sight glass, you heard. This I'm really excited about. As you can see, the old BMW badges, rondelles, whatever you want to call them. Cut the fresh officials. You see that BMW group. Real deals right there. It's gonna look good. Yeah. Yes. Well, I'm gonna get to work.